Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Code Like a Pro in Rust, written by Brendan Matthews.
Code Like a Pro in Rust is a concise guide to the Rust programming language, aimed at helping new Rust developers master the language, its tools, design patterns, and best practices. This book doesn't cover every aspect of Rust, but it focuses on key concepts. It's designed to help you navigate Rust's learning curve and build production-grade software systems. Prior knowledge of Rust and experience with system-level programming languages like C, C++, or Java will be beneficial. The book includes partial code listings, with full code samples available on GitHub at this link under the MIT license. Rust is a modern programming language that emphasizes performance and safety. It offers features like closures, generics, asynchronous I/O, and powerful tooling. Rust is versatile, suitable for system-level programming, web development with WebAssembly, WASM, and more. It's compiled to platform-dependent binaries, making it ideal for embedded or resource-constrained environments. Rust provides a core suite of tools, including the official compiler, Rust-C, package manager and build tool, Cargo, and package registry, crates.io. It also offers modern language features like the borrow checker, static typing, asynchronous I/O, closures, generics, macros, and traits. Rust has been voted as the most loved programming language in Stack Overflow's annual developer survey since 2016. Rust stands out for its focus on safety. It uses a feature called the borrow checker to provide strong safety guarantees, preventing common memory errors and race conditions in parallel programming. Rust supports modern paradigms like functional programming, generics, traits, lifetimes, metaprogramming, asynchronous programming, and package management with Cargo. It's a community-driven project led by the Mozilla Foundation, dual-licensed under the Apache license and the MIT license, with strong support from large technology companies. Rust is typically used for lower-level system programming, similar to C or C++. However, it may not be the best choice when developer productivity is a priority. Rust is well-suited for web programming with WebAssembly. It can be used for code acceleration, concurrent systems, cryptography, embedded programming, hostile environments, performance-critical applications, string processing, replacing legacy C or C++, and safe web programming with WebAssembly. To access the code samples in this book, you'll need an internet-connected computer with a supported operating system. Ensure you have the following tools installed. For installation instructions, see Appendix A. Now you are ready to code like a pro in Rust. Let's go.
Get this book at manning.com